Hello from Sergio Vini. I'm gonna do this video tutorial about the Bitnest security and the audit made by Certik. Okay, let's put the glasses on. Let's put my head here. Okay, perfect. Okay, before we begin, a quick note: everything I share in this video is for informational purpose only and does not constitute financial advice. It is based on my personal experience. The world of cryptocurrency is exciting, but it is also important to stay informed. Always do your own research before any decision. Okay, I'm gonna do this video about the security of Bitnest. If you don't know Bitnest, on my YouTube channel you will have some video in English, some video in Italian because I'm Italian, and you will see presentation, everything underneath the video. You will have my contact, and you will have also my link in case you want to, experience the gain from this excellent smart contract. Okay, so Bitnest has been audited by Certik. Okay, so to understand what kind of company is Certik, I've been to ChatGPT because I think he has more knowledge than me, and here's the answer from ChatGPT. Who is Certik? Okay, Certik is the world's leading blockchain security firm. So I repeat, Certik is the world's leading blockchain security firm, founded in 2017 by a professor from Yale and Columbia University. Based in New York, Certik has already protected over 370 billion through rigorous audit and continuous real-time monitoring of decentralized projects. Global reputation: with more than 4,600 audited projects, Certik is the gold standard of Web3 security. Its trusted clients include Binance, Polygon, The Sandbox, Shiba Inu, PancakeSwap, Inch, Crypto.com, and many more. Just the word, just when they mention Binance, you understand that the company that moves trillions of the equivalent of trillions of dollars in coins, they must go to a firm, like Certik. So what does it mean all that? It means that our smart contract has been officially audited by Certik, and it will be continued to be monitored real time through Certik. I will explain that later, okay? Because Bitnest is not a small smart contract, it's a real ecosystem. So they ensure trust, transparency, and long-term security. Security, it is not a choice, it's a responsibility, and we've chosen the best. Okay, so if we go here, this is the site, one of the sites of Certik, which shows the audit. And this is for the company which they grow like an ecosystem, so it's constantly reviewed. So we click here, we go here, and we can see, you see, it's all green and it's okay. As you can see here, you see 22.56 because the smart contract of Bitnest is not only the smart contract like the thousands that you see. It's a real ecosystem, and it's going to attach some blocks with new things that I'm going to show you, which they are not going to interfere the first part that already been audited. Okay, so to see the security of this smart contract, we can go here. This is the code. You see, this is Bitnest. We have to copy the code. Okay. Then we go to this side. This side is DeFi. So this side, when you insert the blockchain, the code of the contract is going to scan it and give you the answer. So I'm going to click here to scan. I'm going to put the address of, you see, this is Bitnest. Going to click on it. Now I may go, it may, slowly load, as you can see. Just a second. Okay. Look at the score. 96%. I repeat, 96% secure. Okay. So this is not me who signed that. This is the site DeFi scanner. Of course, it has been audited by Certik, and it will continue to be audited by Certik. I will show you why it will be continued audited for the next project they're going to attach on it. So there are no vulnerable withdrawals, no reinterest risk found, no locks, verified source code found, contract cannot be upgraded, no SCR2 approval vulnerability found, contract owner cannot abuse the ERC20 approval, no blocking loops, wallet cannot be blacklisted from any specific contract functionality, no functionality can be posed by the contract owner, no approval restriction found, no vulnerable ownership, no retrievable ownership. As you can see, contract was not deployed. As you can see, this never ends. They're all okay, and it's very safe. So if you go to the website, okay, of course you got the white paper. If you go security audit, you're going to end up here. There are all the details of the audit. So why I'm saying to you that this is not a simple smart contract? So we have seen already that what we have right now, because as you can see, we are here. If I click here, just a second, it's going to load. We are interconnecting, instantly with the blockchain. Any hacker can go, hack the site. The site is just a mirror, but everything will continue to run on the blockchain. So let's go and have a look. So this is all the audit that I've done so far. Okay, let's go and have a look here. I'm going to click here on Bitnest. You're going down. Those are real numbers because when you are connected with the blockchain, they give you real numbers. So this is, it says 1,800,000 participants, but of course, because this is a system and you connect your wallet, so those are 1,800,000 wallets. So now I don't think there are 1,800,000 participants physically, because some people they joined and they don't join, they don't do anything. So, but for sure there are 1,800,000 wallet connected to this smart contract. This is the amount of USDT that all the people like me and all the others, they have been giving some liquidity and earning. This is 360 million, okay? And this is the liquidity that I show you already, that when you click on it, that is locked on the blockchain. So if we go down here, we see we have here the roadmap. So here I'm going to show you why Bitnest is not a simple smart contract that you have thousands like that. This is a real ecosystem, and it was born in 2002. They have the idea. Then there is a Bitnest loop. Sorry, let me go down here. This is they all have accomplished already this, Bitnest community, here Bitnest ecological organization, and here we are. While I'm recording this, they are, they are issuing their coin, okay? So when they're doing those new things, okay, this is the contract already verified that nobody can steal money from it, the owner cannot touch it and everything. When they do this new node, for experienced people, they will understand, it's like a piece of Lego. So they going, for example, now when they do this coin circulation, they're gonna do this, and when it's ready, Certik, that does the auditing live, is gonna do auditing this one. How the audited, they're gonna put next to it. But when they're gonna put next to it, in any case, can affect the main one, which is already audited, and nobody can steal the money from you. So they're gonna, being an ecosystem, they're gonna put some new satellite next to it, because they're gonna bring more earnings. Okay, so coin circulation, coin leasing, and so we go. So all these points they have been made, and this one, the new one, okay, they're gonna deploy and gonna make, of course, more earnings and more profit in autopilot. Okay, so let's go back here. So if you don't know Bitnest, go on my channel. You will have some video in Italian, some video in English, presentation, question and answer, the business plan if someone wants to refer people, and so on. So this is my link in case you want to join. So bitnest.me, DGAQEA. Of course, on the description there is my link, and everything, this is everything I have to say about the auditing done by Certik, which is, one of the most, if not the most, reliable firm of auditing. Until next time, have a lovely day.